Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through how to add a Savvas assignment inside of your module for students to complete. So after you've built your module for that week, go to the plus sign to add an assignment. So make sure this says assignment in this box. Come down and click create assignment, and this allows you to name that assignment. So I'm gonna call this sample 2. Click add item. That populates inside of that module that you're building. So if you click on the title that you just created of that assignment, go to edit. You give your students directions in this box, whatever you want them um, to read before they go into that assignment. This is always out of 100. Whatever assignment groups, either formative or summative. I'm just going to choose assignments right now, but remember yours have to be formative or summative in order to go over to Power School and for your grade book to match up correctly. Percent grade is always as a percentage, and this is where you choose to use the Savvas external tool. So for submission type, you have to select external tool. In this box, don't type in the box, just click the word find. It opens up everything that we have integrated inside of our Canvas. So if you scroll all the way down, you should see Savvas Realize. You click that link, it brings up all of your Savvas material. So if you are not seeing your book, you can click your name here, go to my programs, and add your material here. You can also launch the actual Realize site just to see other materials or see your data, see your class. You can launch here and it'll open up in a new window for you directly into Savvas. You do not have to log in. But here I want to say choose my book. So if I was doing algebra, I would choose the book. You would see all of your materials that you would normally see over in your Savvas Realize tab. So here you can go through all of the material. If I wanted to add linear equations, I can go into this topic. If you don't see the blue import button on top of that assignment or that topic, that means it's stuff inside of that folder or that topic for you to choose from. So if I wanted this benchmark, I would just click the import and that will bring it in to my Canvas. But I want to go into this topic, and you see different options here. So if I wanted this topic 2 ready assessment, I can click the blue button that populates up here at the top for me. So it says one item added, and you can only add one item from this assignment at a time. So if you wanted two different things from Envision or my View, whatever you're using, you would have to do two separate assignments to select those. It'll only allow you to select one. So once you have selected the import here, it pops up here at the top for you and tells you that it's one item added. Click the white import button. It brings you back to this box. And now you want to click select. That brings that assignment into your Canvas assignment that you just made. Down here, you can give multiple attempts. Everyone, give it a due date, and save and publish. This will give you a preview of what your students will see. So when students click on this assignment inside of your module, they'll come straight to this page right here and they can start this readiness assessment or whatever you give them. If it's an assignment that has a PDF, it gives them those tools inside of that this window. So if it's a PDF sheet or anything from your Savvas book that you're wanting them to complete as an assignment, it actually gives them all of the tools to annotate on that document, and they'll have a turn it in button for you to grade inside of Speed Grader easily. You'll be able to see that populate on your screen inside of Canvas. So you don't necessarily have to ever log into the Savvas unless you're just looking at big reports or want to dig through some of the material. When you're making that assignment, you have the option to lunch right here. uh, Assignments have to be made through Canvas in order for students to access. You can't make that assignment inside of the Savvas portal on its own through a website. You have to come inside of Canvas, and it goes drops over to the student this way. So students also only access Savvas through Canvas. They don't have to go into Waffle and click Savvas to get your assignments. Everything that they need, you'll assign in Canvas, and they'll be able to access it in Canvas. Again, if it's something that they need to turn in that you assign them, they will have that blue turn it in button. I think it's blue, and they'll turn that in, and it'll automatically hit your grade book. Or you can go in Speed Grader and go ahead and grade that assignment.